Imagine waking up one morning only to find out a hacker has hijacked your YouTube channel, gone with your subscribers, your videos, your sweats, your sleepless night. That's like planting cassava waiting for harvest, and suddenly someone shows up with a truck and carries everything away. No way, not on my watch. Today, I'm showing you how to lock your YouTube account like a bank vault using your phone number, Google prompt, and other methods. This is called a two-step verification method, your digital bodyguards. Because my people say the lizard that jumped from the high Iroko tree and survives will nod his head in self-praise, and you too will nod your head after this tutorial because your account will be hacker proof. Hi everyone, welcome to Learn with Eljoe, where confusion melts like ice under the sun, where education meets elevation, content meets clarity, and legends are born. I am Geoffrey Philimo, but feel free to call me Eljoe or Professor Eljoe. I am your seasoned teacher and your modern day YouTube Moses, sent not with a staff, but with truth, tips, and timeless wisdom to guide creators and curious minds to absolute success. This is Harvard with Vibes, the Mango Tree Classroom, the University of YouTube Wisdom. So like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell if you haven't. Haven't done that? Let's dive in.
Alright, let's dive in.
First thing first, grab your phone, open Chrome or Google search bar, and type this like you are typing a secret spell, studio.youtube.com, and hit that search bar. Boom, you are in. If it doesn't take you directly to YouTube Studio, don't panic. Sometimes it takes you straight in, while sometimes it plays hard to get. If you see your channel, click on the drop down arrow and hit customize channel. And like a doorman in a big hotel, YouTube greets you with welcome to YouTube Studio. Say thank you, click continue, and move forward. Spotting the warning. Now listen closely. If your Google account is walking around without two-step verification method, YouTube will tell you straight to your face, your account is at greater risk of attack. You see it at the top. That is like your landlord telling you your front door has no lock and you are sleeping with it wide open. Crazy, right? So don't dismiss it. Click get started, because our mission is not just safety, it's total security. You will be directed to your Google account settings because that is where the real fortress is built. Locate turn on two-step verification. Tap it, a pop-up box appears like a knock on the door. Click on turn on and boom, you are secured and protected. This means even if a hacker guesses your password, and let's be real, some of you are still using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or I love you as password, they still can't enter without your phone or your Google prompt. It's like they are holding the key, but the padlock is voice activated in your language. They can't break it. Now, two-step verification is the boss move, but Google didn't stop there. Here are extra shields you can add. Number 1, passkeys and security keys. Use your fingerprint, Face ID, or your screen lock to confirm it's really you, because no one else has your face unless you've got a twin. Let me burst your bubble. Even your twin cannot pass. Number 2, Google prompt, which we have already activated. It's like your Google bodyguard tapping you on your back, saying, "Is that really you?" Awesome, right? Number 3, authenticator app, another layer generating codes every few seconds like magic calculator. Isn't that incredible? Number 4, phone number. Done that already. Your phone becomes the emergency whistle. Number 5, backup codes. Little secret codes you can keep safe offline, like hiding emergency money under your mattress. Awesome, right? Now, head back to YouTube Studio and relax. Your YouTube account is now safer than a gold vault in Fort Knox. Remember what the Western proverb says, better safe than sorry, or in African wisdom, the gold that stays close to the owner never fears the hyena. Stay close to Google protection and hackers won't come near your channel. Lesson summary, simple as ABC. A. Activate two-step verification with your phone number or Google prompt. B. Backup with your passkeys, authenticators, or backup codes. C. Celebrate your account is safe, your hustle is protected, and your dreams are secured from the evil hands of hackers. YouTube is your farm. Protect your harvest. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Drop your thoughts, your experiences, or your burning questions in the comments. We are listening. Share this video. You might just save a YouTuber's life. Subscribe to Learn with Eljoe so you never miss any class from the University of YouTube Wisdom. Until next time, stay educated, stay smart, stay safe, and remember, ignorance is not an excuse, it is a trap. Knowledge is power and your currency. And Eljoe is your blog. If you know, you know. If you don't know, now you know. See you in the next video. This is Professor Eljoe signing off. Peace out.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need